everyone, my name is Vincentia Sinta Putri, and today I want a presentation about the topic is studying in a new environment. So, let's get started. Okay, the slide number one, I have the activity is in church. I active be young Catholic community. So this is my life in Faith and Action Young Catholic Community. In this presentation offers a glimpse into my life journey. This highlights my dedication to faith and active involvement in various community roles. I think in this community, we have to commit an influential member of the church community, serving as spiritual pillar through consistent involvement in ministry, mentorship, and worship leader. So this is recognized as a spiritual pillar within the church, actively engaged in fostering faith, guiding others, and upholding core values of the Christian walk. And in this community, we have the possible to doing like dedicate church leader and spiritual anchor, faithful servant, and foundational presence in church ministry. So we have to like a key spiritual leader active in all aspects of church life, and the last is core member and faith example in the church community. And this slide says involved as young Catholic, actively participating in the young Catholic community, and strengthening faith, fostering brotherhood through spiritual activities. The next slide is formative spiritual activities. This is three activities in my church. We have to do in our community, like spiritual camping. In this spiritual camping, we have to deepening faith in nature's embrace. Next, we have communal prayer. This is finding strength in shared spirituality. And the last is choir practice. This is activity. We have to harmonizing voices and souls to building strong Christian character. In the next slide, this is my activity such as volunteer spirit, in sharing and serving. In this section, I'm also active as a volunteer in various events because, in my opinion, volunteering is a sincere and honest humanitarian activity that I should do in my environment. In this activity, I learned to demonstrate a true volunteer spirit, consistently sharing time, talents, and resources to serve others with compassion and joy. As volunteer, we have to living example of servant leadership, always ready to share and always willing to serve, and embraces the call to share generously and serve selflessly, embodying the heart and of volunteerism in every endeavor. In this community, the volunteer trail an inspiring event. In this community, there are the three activities that I should do in this environment. There are three events. The first is running events. This is to supporting participants with enthusiasm. The second is wedding event. This is to ensuring smooth sacred ceremonies. And the last is charity event. This is to spreading happiness to those in need. I'm so happy to be the part of this humanity. This is I learn and grow as a volunteer. The first, I learned about empathy growth. The second, I learned about skill enhancement. The third, I learned about valuable experience. In empathy growth, we learn about cultivating social care. In skill enhancement, we learn about improving communication and teamwork. And the valuable experience, we learn about gaining experience and expanding works. So yeah, in this activity such as volunteer, this is so many positive impact that we have, like contributing positively to society and engaging in various events. And the last my activity in environment is uh, the world of K-pop dance, artistic expression and youthful spirit. I think this is a strong dynamic headline that highlights my dedication, skill, and involvement in a vibrant dance culture. This is embarked on my passion journey through K-pop dance, marked by disciplined practice, thrilling competition, and engaging live performance. Develop teamwork, stage presence, and creative expressions through every beat. And a commit to a K-pop dancer with hands-on experience in intense training, local and regional competitions, and dynamic stage performance. And the last is blending precision with passion. The next slide we have, I have to, in the next slide, I have present about K-pop dance journey, practice, competition, and performance. There are three steps to be a K-pop dancer. The first, we have to routine practice to improving skills and team cohesion. The second, we have to join the dance cover competition, of course. This is to testing abilities and creativity to ours because ours K-pop dancer. And the last, we have to show performance. This is to entertaining and captivating the audience. So yeah, this is my experience to be K-pop dancer, and I'm so enjoying to be K-pop dancer. So I hope if you wanted or excited to be join like I do, you can follow my steps to be K-pop dancer. And okay, the last but not least, this is about life balance. Okay, this is the last but not least. This is about life balance, faith, action, and passion. The first, we have meaningful life. This is about living with faith, service, and art. The second, inspiring others. We have to contributing positively to the environment. And the third, continuous growth. We have to aiming for ongoing positive impact. Maybe this is what I do in environment, the activities I'm joined by. And thank you for watching. I hope this so useful for you each other, and thank you.